Hello, class 1B. Good morning. Now children, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Now children, let us start today's class with Gayatri Mantra. So all of you, close your eyes and join your hands. Start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurvubhuva Swaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. With this beautiful Gayatri Mantra, let us start today's class. Today's comparison: thin and thick. Thin and thick. So come on children, let us learn. Thin, thin, thin and thick, thick, thick. Thin, thin, thin and thick. Oh, thick, thick, thick and thin, thin, thin. Thin and thick. La la, thick, thick, thick and thin, thin, thick. So come little children, come with me. I will teach you thick and thin. Come children, come with me. I will teach you thick and thin. Come on. Hey children, come on, let's sing a song of thick and thin. La la la, I have 2 pens, I have 2 pens, I have 2 pens, I have 2 pens. This is thin, this is thick, thick pen, thin pen, thick, thick, thick. I have 2 pens, I have 2 pens, thick pen, thin pen, thin pen, thick pen, thin pen, thin pen, thick, 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 thin, thin. Oh, I have 2 pens, I have 2 pens. This is thick one, this is thin one. Thick pen, thin pen, thick, thick, thick. This is thin, thin, thin. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin, thin, thin. La la la. I have 2 bottles, I have 2 bottles, I have 2 bottles, I have 2 bottles. This is thin, this is thick, thin, thick, thin, thick, thin. I have 2 bottles, I have 2 bottles, thin, 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 thick, 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 thin, 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 thick, thick, thick. I have 2 bottles, I have 2 bottles, thin bottle and thick bottles. Let us go away, let us go away. I have 2 books, I have 2 books. I have 2 books, I have 2 books. This is thick, see, this is thick. This is thick and this is thin, 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 thin. I have 2 books, I have 2 books. This is thick and this is thin, 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 thin. Thick, 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 thick and thin. Thick, 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 thin, thin, thin. Thick book, thin book. 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 I have 2 books. I have 2 books. This is thin book. Look at, this is thin and this is thick. Thick, thick, thick. Thin, thin, thin. Thick, thin, thick, thick, thick. So let us move away. Hey, I have 2 tubes. I have 2 tubes. I have 2 tubes. I have 2 tubes. This is thick and this is thin. This is thick, thick, thick. This is paste. Children, we used to brush our teeth with this paste. This is also paste. This is thick paste. This is thin tube. This is toothpaste tube. Thick toothpaste tube. Thin toothpaste tube. This is thick and this is thin. This is thick. See, this is thick and this is thin. This is thick and this is thin. This is thin. See, this is thin and this is thick. See, this is thick and this is thin. Thin. This is thick. So we are 2 friends. So we are 2 friends. Now here you see, this is a thread. This is a thread and this is also a thread. So which one is thick? Let us see. See, this is thread, this is a thread. So which one is thick? This is thick and this is thin. This is thick, thin, thick, thin. See, thick, thick, thick. This is thick and this is thin. Thick, thin, thick, thin. This is thick, 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 thick. This is thin thread, thin thread, thin thread. This is thin thread. This is that thick thread. This is thick, thick, thick. And this is thin, thin, thin. Thick, thin, thick, thin. Hey, let's do revision. This is thick pen. This is thin pen. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin, thin, thin. This is thick, thin, thick, thin, thick. Oh, this is thick thread. This is thick thread. This is thin, 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 thin. La la, this is thick. This is thick bottle. This is thin bottle. This is thick and this is thin. Oh, this is thick bottle. This is thin bottle. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin. La 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 la. Now let's come. This is thick, thick, thick tube. See, this is thin, thin, thin tube. See, this is thick, thick, thick. This is thick. This is thin, thin, thin. This is thin. This is thick. This is thin. This is thick. This is thin. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin. Hey ya ya, hippie hippie ya. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thin. Come on, this is thick book. Thin, 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 thin. This is thick, thick, thick. This is thick. This is thick book, thin book, thin book, thick book, thin book. Do you remember, children? This one, this page. Come to the page number 11. Open page number 11. And I think In the previous class you have read thick and thin, मोटा और पतला. Now let us come to the picture. Color the thicker one. जो इन दोनों में से मोटा है उसको कलर करना है. मैंने इस मोटे वाले रस्सी को, दिस इज अ रोप, मोटे वाले रोप को कलर किया है. Now let us come to this picture. Now look at the picture carefully. इन दोनों पिक्चर में which one is thicker? So this is thick and this is thin. And here you have to color this thicker one. Now come to the next picture. This is the picture of a nail. This is also a nail. So here you have to color the thinner one. Thinner one means जो पतला है इन दोनों में से. So this is thick. Let us find out कौन सा पतला है. ये पतला है. This is this thin? No, this is thick and this is thin. So you have to color this thin nail. इन दोनों में से जो पतला है, thinner, that will be colored. Okay, now let us come to, you have to find the thickest, मोटा, and the thinnest, सबसे दुबला. Now here, what is this? Lady's finger, bhindi. देखो, there are 3 bhindis, lady's fingers are there. You have to color the thickest one. सबसे मोटा वाला कौन सा है? Thickest, this one. So you have to color this one. Okay. Now come to this picture. So this is the picture of a candle. So color the thinnest one. जो पतला सा है, सबसे पतला है, उसको कलर करना है. तो देखो, look here. कौन सा, which one is thinner? Thinnest. कौन सा सबसे दुबला है? ये. This one is the thinnest and this one is the thickest. ये सबसे मोटा है और ये सबसे पतला है. So मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इस पिक्चर में you have to color thickest one. जो सबसे मोटा है उसे कलर करना है. So look at the lady fingers. इन तीनों में से out of 3, this one is thickest, this one is thickest. And then इस पिक्चर में you have to color the thinnest one. Thinnest. Thinnest means सबसे पतला. So look here, look at this. Look at this, look at this. कौन सा पतला है? So this is the thinnest one. You have to color this picture. Okay. Now turn your page. Page number 12. So come to page number 12. Page number 12. So here all of you see. This is the picture of a bread loaf. ये bread का टुकड़े हैं. So tick the same having the ones that having the same thickness. उन चीजों को टिक करना है जिसकी मोटाई बराबर है. Thickness means मोटाई. So look here. इसे देखो, इसे देखो और इसे देखो. अच्छा बताओ तो इन तीनों में से किनकी थिकनेस मोटाई बराबर है? इन दोनों की? ना ना ना. इन दोनों की? ना ना ना. इन दोनों की? फर्स्ट वन एंड थर्ड वन. ये इन दोनों की? यस. इन दोनों दे आर हैविंग सेम थिकनेस. नाउ कम टू दिस कलर ट्यूब्स. ये वाटर कलर का ट्यूब्स है. सो सी यू हैव टू चूज विच वन इज हैविंग सेम थिकनेस. जो बराबर का मोटाई है उसे करना है. तो आप सभी पहले कंपेयर करो. ये वाली और ये वाली बराबर की है मोटाई? नो. दिस वन एंड दिस वन आर ऑफ इक्वल सेम थिकनेस? नो. दिस वन और दिस वन सेम थिकनेस? यस. दिस वन एंड दिस वन दे आर हैव सेम थिकनेस. दोनों की मोटाई एक ही है. राइट. अब आओ, कम टू दिस पिक्चर. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ फिशेस. 3 मछलियां हैं. तो आपको यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वन विच आर हैविंग द सेम थिकनेस, जिसकी मोटाई एक जैसी है. तो देखो तो इस मछली और इस मछली की मोटाई एक जैसी है. नो। इस मछली और इस मछली की मोटाई एक जैसी है? नो। सो किसकी है? ये वाली, पहली वाली और तीसरी वाली। सो फर्स्ट वन एंड द थर्ड वन, this is having the same thickness. Yo. So tick these two fishes. Now come to the picture of 3 candles. So compare करो, इसमें तीनों में से किन दोनों की थिकनेस बराबर है, मोटाई बराबर है? देखो तो, दिस वन और दिस वन की थिकनेस बराबर है मोटाई? नहीं, ये मोटा है, ये पतला है। इसकी और इसकी मोटाई बराबर है ना? ये दोनों, ये पतला है, ये मोटा है। अब इसकी देखो, इसकी और इसकी मोटाई बराबर है? ये देखो मोटाई, थिकनेस, थिकनेस माने बोलते हैं चौड़ा। यस, ये कैंडल और ये कैंडल बोथ आर हैविंग सेम थिकनेस। तो इस तरह मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, दिस इज योर एच वर्क। ये आपका एच वर्क है, पेज नंबर 12 एंड पेज नंबर 11 इज योर सी वर्क। ओके। अब मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अब ये एक वन मोर पेज इज देयर, यू हैव टू कलर, फाइंड आउट विच वन इज फार एंड नियर ऑब्जेक्ट, फार ऑब्जेक्ट एंड नियर ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, दिस इज, यू हैव टू, फार माने दूर और नियर मीन्स नजदीक। सो हियर यू सी, दिस इज नियर टू मी एंड that one, that camera stand is far, table and camera stand are far. This is near, this bottle is near to me, and that one is camera stand and that stool is far from me. This book is near to me, that stool is far away from me. This bottle is near to me, that photo frame is far away from me. See, that photo is far away from me. That almirah is far away from me. And this bottle is near. This bottle is near to me. And that one, that almirah is far away from me. So here now children, you have to do this page, page number, it is 13. This is page number 13. What you have to do? You have to color any two things that are far away from girl. So look at this picture. This is the picture where there is a girl, there is a duck, there is a boat, there is a bird, there are some flowers, there is a house, there is a tree. Okay, so you have to color two pictures that are far away from the girl with green. So color two pictures that are far away from the girl is green. So which one is far away from the girl? These trees are far away from the girl. Okay. So you have to color those two pictures which are far away. This is house is far away from this girl. This house is far away from the girl is here and the house is there. So these trees and these houses, this tree and the grass, you have to color with green. Okay. So my dear children, what you have to do, this is the girl, you have to color any two things which are far away from the girl. So this things, that is house or that is tree, this is grass, any two things you have to color with green. So this is green color. Okay, so we have to color this house, this grasses, this is the tree, with green. So this grasses are also green, this is green. So you have to color those things which are far away from the girl. So this is green, this chimney is green. So color any two things. So you have to color any two things. I have colored the grass and the tree. Now here, color the two things which are any two things which are near to the girl with red. So the things which are near to the girl with red. So see that this boat, color this boat with red. This boat, okay, and color this duck with red. Okay, you have to color those two things with red which are near to the girl. So this boat is near to the girl, this duck is near to the girl, and you have to color those two things which are far away. So this is far away from the girl. So here this tree is green, grass is green, the chimney of the house is green. So you have to color any two things which are far away from the girl. And two things, we have to color green. एनी टू थिंग्स ग्रीन, एनी टू थिंग्स, कोई भी दो चीज जो लड़की से गर्ल से बहुत दूर है वो ग्रीन कलर से कलर करना है. एंड यू हैव टू कलर एनी टू थिंग्स विच आर नियरर टू द गर्ल विथ रेड. और जो लड़की के नियर है, नजदीक है, उसे रेड से करना है. सो हियर सी बोट इज नियर टू गर्ल, duck is near to girl. So you have to color the things which are near to the girl with red and things which are far away from the girl with green. Okay children? तो my dear children, आज हमने क्या पढ़ाई किया? मोटा और पतला, thick and thin और far and near, दूर और नजदीक. इन दोनों कंपैरिजन, दोनों तरह के कंपैरिजन्स को हमने पढ़ा. फार एंड नियर, दूर और नजदीक, और मोटा और पतला, थिक और थीन, थिक एंड थीन, मोटाई और पतले, पतला, मोटा पतला. तो ये दोनों चीजों को हमने पढ़ाई की. तो आज आपको इन दोनों चीजों को आपको यू हैव टू डू इन द बुक बनाओगे. एंड देन if you have any problem, we will discuss in your classes. So till then, sayonara, bye bye.